how to log in to your Quotex account on your Android device. So hello guys, if you are also using Android device just like me and you are using Quotex on your Android device, what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store and make sure that you have successfully downloaded and installed your Quotex application. And from over here, simply click on open your application and where you'll get this interface. So if you already have created an account, you can simply log in via this screen where you'll have to select your country or region just like this. So once you select your country, you just have to enter your email and password. So once you enter all of your login credentials, simply click on login to your account and make sure your email and password are valid. So once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your account. So if you haven't created your account, you can simply click on this registration bar and you can just log in with your email and password. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.